In this chapter we are going to talk about editing wall profiles. When we draw a wall on the project, it has a constant height. But let's look at this example where we have this staircase. I'm going to switch to the 3D view and suppose that I want to convert the wall in the shape I'm showing here. To edit a wall profile, it's easy. I double click when I highlight the wall, it switches to the sketch mode, and now I can easily modify the wall as I like. For example, I can draw a diagonal line here, then use Trim Extends to Corner to erase the parts that I don't need. Then I click on the tick to confirm the changes. So this is how it works. However, I find it a bit hard to edit a wall profile in a 3D view. So I recommend it to do it in a section view or in an elevation. In this example, I'm going to do it in a section. I go to the ground floor, and then I'm going to insert a section, find the icon on the View tab, then I draw the line for the crop view. The area covered has to be the staircase, of course, so I click on these arrows to switch the direction, and extend the area by dragging this grip to the left, so I cover everything. Finally, if I hover the section icon, it says Section 2, so I know it's this one. But let's change the name, for example to Section Stairs. Now I'm going to open the section. First, I'm going to extend the crop region to cover all the wall profiles. Now it's better. Then, to facilitate, I temporarily hide these two walls from the section view. I select both, click on the glasses at the bottom, and select Hide Element. Now, if I double click on the wall, I can only see the profile of the stairs, and it's also easier to detect the snap points here. Oh, at this moment my visual style is set as Hidden Lines. If I switch to wireframe, I can see also the stair rises if I need to use Snap Stair. In this case, as I don't need, the hidden line is fine for me. Let's modify the profile. With the line tool active, I'm going to draw a line along the slope until this point. Next, I'm going to move the diagonal line 0.3 meters up, click in this endpoint, go up now and type 0.3. Then I can easily draw a horizontal line here to connect to the wall, just to the wall face. And right next, a vertical line, and don't worry about the distance, we will set it now. Select the line, then as I want it to be 50 centimeters from the wall face, I have to change first the position of this grip and finally set the distance to 50 centimeters, 0.5 meters. Finally, readjust the position of this line and use Trim to Corner to erase the extra segments. So the wall profile is ready. Don't forget to always confirm or cancel to exit the sketch mode. And in the 3D view, I can see how the wall looks like. Now, I want to show you a warning that may appear to you. Let's go back to the sketch mode. This time, I'm going to modify the wall again. I know, I'm in the 3D view. But when it's easy, you can edit the wall profile without big concerns. I want to extend the line towards the wall. Delete these two lines, and then use Extend to Corner here. Then I click on the tick, and I get this message. It says, the best way to control the top and the base is to modify the constraints. What do you think happened? The wall highest point is no longer at the former height. And on the properties, the top constraint, you can see that it's set to up to level first floor, which no longer matches. I change it to unconnected and click on apply. And you can see I won't have that problem anymore because I removed the constraint. Anyway, if I didn't change anything, it would still be fine. The thing is that it's common to edit some elements later in our projects, and if the things are not set in the best way, we may have problems in the future.